Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my nephew is having a little, something for Cinco de Mayo, so I'm gonna go support him. So I'm just gonna create something nice and quick. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so let's jump into it. I'm actually gonna do a one eyeshadow look. Maybe two. Meet me halfway. Maybe two, most likely. These are the Armani like liquid what do you call this, eyeshadow, and this is number 565, and these are like going like they're like everywhere. Like everybody and their mama using it on TikTok. So we're just gonna go ahead and see what look we can create with it, right? But I feel like I might need to like another shade or something, because I don't know. We'll see. We will see. So if this sucks, I'm just gonna take it off. So it's just these are blended nice. Oh, this is nice. Man, if you don't know how to use like shadows, this is the business. And you want to do like a quick one shadow look. Now look at this. So I'm blending the edges because I don't want the edges to look at how dry my nose is. That's so gross. I don't want the edges to look, oh man, this is nice, to look wild like so. But then I think I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more on my lid. Like look at this. So let's go back with some more. I think I might actually achieve what I want with just one shadow. There's a brownish one that I've been trying to get, but it's like so hard to get. So hard to get. And then just blend it. Because I don't want it to look too sharp. Like so. Man, this is cute. This is so nice. I added a little bit more. Because on my lid, I want it to be like a little bit darker than everywhere else. But this is nice. This is nice.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl, this artist is you right here? Okay.
This is for all my girls and gals that's like, or guys and girls that's just want something, but you just don't know how to like, you just want one shade. This is like perfect. Man, look at the money coming through. And let me just do, we're just gonna do a liner. If I can find my liner. Okay, let's use this. This is actually from Valentino, and then let's just go in. So yeah, let's do one little line, and then I just come down from like here. I usually do not do this on camera because this is like the hardest part for me.
Eventually.
See, like so. Perfect. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back. Eyes was super easy to do, which I love. So let's talk about this foundation. So I am gonna use the True Match super blendable foundation from, oh my god, I don't know if this is gonna match me, from L'Oreal. So let's go into it. I'm gonna use my Farsali. I haven't used this in a minute. You know why I don't even use this? Because it's like, I feel like the pump is annoying as hell. The pump is annoying. Oh, I forgot I love this. So let's jump in here. Give it a shake, shake, shake. Oh god, I feel like this shade is gonna be too dark. Maybe a little bit, but you know what? I can make this work. And then for my concealer, I'm gonna use this new concealer. It's the Bright Eye from Revolution. It's like literally, that's another one of those things that's like all over the place. But I can't open it. I don't know what this is doing. Let's put on our lashes real quick. You have to do this a lot for it to even show up. Okay. This is watery. I don't like this. There's no coverage. Like, look at how this looks. Oh my god. And I have to go out. What is this? This is a mess. A mess. I can't use this because that's like, I have to use my Jeffree Star because I need more coverage than that. I definitely need more coverage. Oh my god, this is like the worst. I need a little bit of this, just a little bit, to get a little bit of lightness right here. I'm gonna use this. This is for Makeup by Mario, and it is the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer in Dark. So it's a nice soft little bronzer or contour, you know, whatever you want to call it. It just melts. Melts, melts, melts. Oh my god, this concealer was the worst. I don't like this. I feel like that concealer just kind of messed up my whole situation, you know? Just messed up my whole thing. I had a whole thing going on. But we'll make it work. And to set under my eye, nope, that's too dark. Back to this Laura Mercier powder. It's like almost done. Every time I use this, I'm like, oh, it's almost done, but we're using every little bit of it. Every single little bit. We are using everything, every single thing. But I think it's right on the verge of being done. But it's okay. Ooh, let's use my Micro Smooth powder from Sephora. So this actually looks good. the foundation. Nope, that's not gonna work. Let's clean up the lip. We're almost done. We're almost done. Just gonna put a black liner in my waterline, and then quickly we're just gonna use a little bit of this and then just buff it up nicely, you know, nothing crazy. Ooh, I hate when I do that. And I just need a quick little blush. This will work. This is from Lavish. It's an eyeshadow, and just see, perfect. This is amazing. And I just need a little something for my inner corner. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. This is from Beauté, and it's a Glimmer shadow in French vanilla. Just a little. That's it. Done. Eyes done. Okay, so let us bronze the face. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We have to get out of this building.
My husband needs to take this off because this is I had the little sneeze. I had the little sneezes. I can never find my red liners, but I literally have a million of them. I'm exaggerating, but I have like red is the liner I have the most of. This will work. This is from Kylie, and this shade is Bite Me. Bite Me. And this is from Fenty, and it's HBIC. I love this. This is so pretty. So pretty. I do need a little bit of blush, and then we are done. Blush, highlighter, done. Okay, let's do Love Struck Sweetheart from J-Cat. And then for highlighter, we're gonna use that Nicole Guerrero and ABH collab. Just gonna mix a few shades. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so that's it guys for this, video. I like how everything came out. Everything is actually laying really well, but the usual. But yeah, I know I'm gonna go hang out to the house. I feel like that's all I do, right? So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.